In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change clock time from 24-hour to 12-hour here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, proceed here at the button search bar and type for panel. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you'll be able to see a best match, which is the control panel system. And once it's here, please proceed here at the right side and click on this open option to continue. The moment you click on it, you'd be able to see this control panel where here proceed to the clock and region. Click on this one. The moment you click on it, you'd be able to see two options which are date and time and region. So by that, please proceed to date and time. Click on it. And the moment you have bring up this small window called the date and time, we need to proceed with change date and time which has the shield icon. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you'd be able to set the date and time. Or here, you'd be able to see this option here at the left side, change calendar settings. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to bring up another window called region. Where here, please proceed to additional settings. Click on that one. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to customize format. Proceed with the third section, which is time. Click on it. So one of the factor why you have set or why you have faced an issue, which is it is being set as the 24 hours that you have set it as the capital letter H. So please click on this down arrow key and choose any of the small letter H. So I would suggest to go with HH, small letter H, then small letter then TT. Then click on apply and then click on the OK. Click on apply and then OK. And click on the OK. Click on OK and then close the window. And there you have that. You have just successfully set the clock time from 24-hour to 12-hour here in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.